Hey guys, another project for me. This is my mom's land. Well, it just got the numbers. Supposed to be 2,500 square feet. Uh, ain't too bad. Just take all these mango trees down. That's what the most headache is. Because I farm on this land, I have to pull the root out. That's where the pain in the butt is at. But if you don't farm like me, you just cut at the trunk and there's a stump. But luckily, well, it's a pain to get in here. But when I got in here, it's not too bad. At least you can walk around. It's not much of a jungle as I thought it would. But it's still a lot of work. But trying to show you guys a before and after picture. Luckily, it's not that bad. I could get in here, and there's a hill here. I can shoot the video, the picture, show you guys the before picture and the after picture. Usually the land doesn't have this hill right here, and I can show you guys a before video and after video because it's even hard to get in there. If I try to shoot, you guys won't see nothing but bushes. But that was a rough idea. That's what I'm gonna work on. Well, in the States, well, a lot of people like in the States, well, people I know are city people. So the United States ain't that bad because we got rivers and creeks, it's all fresh water. But in Vietnam, they have a river, but it's mostly salty, and this area doesn't have a river because we're at the end of the ocean, so it's all salt water. So fresh water is a rare commodity. I found an old well. I'm hoping it's fresh water. That's what I'm banking my money on. But it was not, because I heard my uncle's or my aunt's husband messed it up. I think he overpumped it and it got salty. But after we clean out, we're gonna find out if there's a chance that it's salty. I only got an option to grow in the rainy season, and I only could grow one season of watermelon because watermelon doesn't take that much water. Each watermelon take about a cup of water, so it ain't that bad. So it's affordable to do it. Well, I've been in here a couple of times. Right now it's pretty sunny, so there ain't that much bushes. When the rain starts, it's hard to walk in here. But I never, well, this is Vietnam, graves everywhere. Mostly every land you work on, there's graves. That's why my wife is scared to work on this land. But I don't know what you're scared of. You're a local. I'm a city boy. This is like, I should be scared. But a lot of people say I can't grow on that land. This is the first time I ever crossed this hill. This is next door. They said they can't grow on that land. This is like roughly what, 20, 30 feet away from my land, and they're growing right there. So that's why, because it's a force and that's hard to get in to do an inspection. But doesn't matter how hard it is, I like to do inspection before I do anything, so I could do my plan out. They're growing peanuts right there. I think they're growing watermelon over there. And they're growing bacon over there. They're growing peanuts. Peanuts not profitable. It's not that much profitable, but they're trying to the peanut add nutrients to the land. So the main crops they're trying to hit is watermelon. And over there, yeah. So my theory was right. The land is growable. This is the first time I've been up this hill So I didn't know what's back here, but I have to do my pre-inspection before I start cleaning up. But it does look promising because if somebody already did farming over here, growing vegetables, so I could do over there too. Okay guys, I think that's it for today.